All right, quick update. I've been toiling with this table question. Turns out the Ekko, plenty of room for a table, but the stock table that comes has got this really interesting movement capability where it sort of comes on a pedestal and it can move left and right, but it's just too high. When you're sitting at the table, you feel like a tiny child, you can't. So what was I going to do about it? And I was thinking about lots of ways, and it suddenly occurred to me, there is a solution for this. What I really need is a smaller pole, but what can I do with the pole? So what I've done is I've prototyped a 3D print here, where basically what I've actually done is I've shortened the pole, actually radically cut the pole in half. In actual fact, took a section out of the pole, drilled some holes in it, 3D printed a nice little sleeve to go over it, and then the sleeve basically can come in, and these are obviously just temporary for the time being. I'm going to get some nice clips from my lovely favourite local Ace hardware, and then basically I can adjust on the fly the height of the table based on where I put my connections. Basically gives me the ability to sit at the table, as you can see, right way up, nice, easy adjustment, and keep the table just like it is. Needs some work on the top of the table. There's some scratches on there. I don't know where they came from, used vehicle. But yeah, solution, love it. And get to use my 3D printer. Ouch!